Good day. I am Kevin Clark Biradaza, a forestry student, and I am applying for any position related to forestry, preferably under the Department of Environment and Natural Resources. I am a sporty and energetic individual who is physically fit and capable of handling demanding fieldwork. Because of my active lifestyle, I am already used to physical exhaustion, long hours, and working under pressure. I believe these qualities are important in forestry-related roles, especially in outdoor and environmental work. In terms of experience, I have worked at McDonald's as a service crew member for about 2 months, where I developed discipline, teamwork, and strong work ethics. I also worked as a seasonal employee at 3A Fortune Shoppers for 15 days, which helped me improve my adaptability and customer service skills. During my time in college, I served as the vice president of the Forestry Students Guild. This leadership experience allowed me to enhance my communication, decision making, and organizational skills while working with a team toward common goals. With my background skills and passion for environmental work, I am confident that I can contribute positively to your organization. I am eager to learn, grow, and be part of efforts that protect and manage our natural resources. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to the opportunity to be part of your team.